Hi, simply Igbo Technonos. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Yeah, you guys have seen the motivation videos I've been posting quite often. Yeah, I don't even know how I'm gonna do this channel anymore. I just feel maybe I should introduce other things to this channel, because sometimes I want to do video. I'm always waiting for the right time to do video. Like you can see why I'm doing this video today, because I'm tired of procrastinating. Let me shoot the video today, let me shoot tomorrow, and then stuff like that. And trust me, when my kind of content is different from every other content, like, you know, lifestyle, something that you don't need to like plan, you know, those kind of content you don't need to plan. My kind of content is quite different, because mine, I have to plan it. If you see anybody that is doing a language content, it's not usually very easy to do language content, because, you know, when I'm speaking in Igbo, I have to translate it in English, and that is the same way you have to edit it. So, like, I'm so much effort na videos like so much effort na videos I'm na engagement that adiko maka effort na this video na this platform. In the my video, you for how many videos go. Check him when below the channel. Okay, yeah, after below this channel, I can do very, 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 very active. Very, very, very active. Or 10 mana. I check a video name post to go check other people name content name. If you more they tinye more effort, the videos in they post to carry herself. And most of the time, don't about videos me. Most of the time, don't about videos, ideas, videos who foote. Kana abekwa eme. Mana more of the idea. I'm actually quite happy. Man, I think only the idea. Man, I the video of ma. Yes, I understand, because I'm still growing on the platform, right? Maybe that's the reason why my own is not. Yeah, but you get. I know the effort I put. I'm you can on my channel. What I go. So I'm gonna come more. I want to introduce other things at this channel. I'm gonna book here book about Igbo. I'm gonna be able to start Igbo. Because channel Igbo. So I'm gonna be able to start Igbo, mana. I want to call other ways. I guess kana mutakwa ihe na Igbo n'ebe na abroad also mgbe ntukwa na kuze Igbo kowa kama maka ndị mmadụ na-ekiri ka ha na fotia na ọ dị boring na mara m ka ndị mmadụ si afotia, mana achọkwa m iwetakwa ihe ndị ọzọ chọkwa dịkakwa ka ihe ndị Igbo kwa baka tiekwa ebe a otu ansi wee post onu mbọsị ni video mekwara ọfụma ebe ngosi unu gọvanọ Adeleke ebe ọ na-asụ Igbo. Yes, a comment section now, or it was all on a boom, it was booming. Okay, if you really want to know about him and the rest of his Igbo background kind of thing, if you go to the comment section, you read a lot about him. Okay, and also the other one, your champ post, let me go, that kind of motivation. People loved it, actually. People loved it, and yeah, this my channel is monetized. This my Igbo channel is monetized. Yes, but I won't tell you I am earning like the way I'm supposed to be earning on this channel as the person that the channel is monetized. No, but it's okay. Like I always tell people that my YouTube channel is kind of investment for me. If you ask me, I know this YouTube channel will be profitable for me one day. I don't know, but it's something I cherish. It's something I appreciate. Yeah, I'm monetized and stuff like that. Like in months, I might be getting just few dollars as money I've made on the video. Like since my channel was monetized, right? It took me over 4 months to get paid. Like it took me over 4 months to get paid for the first time on this channel. Not my other channel. I have another channel where I do lifestyle. Simply no OB. If you want to check it out, you check it out. Okay. But I'm talking about this channel. Like it took me like 4 months to get paid. It wasn't so much a lot of money, but I was paid. I think about $70 or something. But it took quite 2 months or 3 months or 4 months. I'm not even sure. Maybe like 3 months. But it's okay. That's not even the main thing I'm talking about the video. The main thing I'm talking about in this video is that I want to introduce other things on this video, on this platform as well. I want to introduce other things that is Igbo related. Trust me, this channel is for Igbo, so it's I don't hear Igbo kanga na emekweba. So I'm going to able to bro mbadi ni ma braba tukula na kuzie he be akwataru ni he translate ni he man potaze post video mba. So can take other things ka the channel na aga for you go. Maka I don't know. So that is basically it too. I don't know if you have watched my video, if you're coming across for the first time, maybe you should watch my video, then you understand where this whole shenanigan thing I'm talking is coming from. But if you're already an OG, if you've been on this channel, you can put it in the comment section other things you want me to introduce in this channel, other than just coming to sit down and teach Igbo, that I find that you guys are finding it boring. Like, you know, when you see a teacher back then, you want to hide. That's how you are hiding from me right now, because every of the video I'm coming out with is to teach you guys something. And probably don't want to learn, right? Probably don't want to learn that very day I posted it or something like that. Some of you, I know you save my videos and watch it afterwards, but it's still the same thing I'm talking about. Let me just go in the comment section. Actually, just may a boom nine. I think I was a call Igbo Kai Gana and Macquarie, quite able to shift to from Igbo entirely. Mana Yamane Kubu ka unku Kogisi Naga. I think no cost of the empty channel tata. Mamma One no cording now. Cording. Bye.